Hello everybody to the sixth lesson of HTML5 series of deep learning course. Now in this lesson we will learn the HTML tags attribute. Let's go and see what do we mean with this title. Here we have some attributes that we'll learn. Here, what do you mean with this? This attribute means this is the attribute of the HTML. It means this file of HTML language is English. So the default language of that HTML is English. So lang, en, or de, which means Germany, or fr, and so on, which means France, and so on. So this attribute defines the language that we want to write. The next here we have a paragraph. This paragraph has a title, which is the attribute. So we could say here title of this paragraph is paragraph. Let's say paragraph title. Let's save this and see in the browser what we will get. Let's go to the file that we have created and double click the file. Here is it. New hover, you will get paragraph title. Okay, so this one of the attributes that we have. Also, we could have another tag and another attribute. For example, the image. This image could have one attribute of this image is the src. We'll get an image. This is an image. Let's save and see what we have. Refresh. This is the image. So this is the attribute. Another attribute is the width of that image. You could set the width to 200 pixels, and the height is another attribute that we could add. Height to 200 pixel too. So let's save it and reload. Look, the image has been resized to the size that we have given. Okay, so also we have another attribute called alt. What do we mean with this alt? This means if the image is not working, print this alt, which is an abbreviation for alternative. So right here's broken image. Okay, I will edit this image with only I have a D, which is this image is not existed. We'll save, reload. Look what will happen. Broken image. Why broken image? Because the URL is false. I rolled back one step, then save it, reload it. It has been closed. I mean the alternative. Also, we have another alternative, which they are the href. We have here, as you have seen that attribute in the previous lessons, we have e, which is for links, as we have learned. Okay, so here I will write go to صفحة tech, and here I will write the URL. So I will write here the URL, which I will write here href. Here we could write صفحتech.com. Okay, write here www.صفحتech.com. So now he could go to the URL. So this is one attribute. Also, we could write here the title. So the title here is anything. صفحتech. Write anything you want. So this is one of the attributes. Also, we could add ID. So ID is another attribute which should be unique in this file. So also we have another attribute which could be the style. We could add it with any tag. Style, we could say that the color is red. For example, red. Let's see what we have here. Refresh. This is the color style. Also we have which we will learn this style color later in CSS. Don't worry now, just know these attributes that you will need it when you are coding. So great. that we have written these things. Title, when you hover that thing, you will get subheading, which is the title that we have written there. Okay, so those things was the lesson of today. So see you in the next lesson, and bye for now.